Lucas is untangling it. Oh, anyway, this will be our last one for this year.
And then that should go together.
She's pretty upset that she likes it.
Hey, we're launching the rocket and there's the moon right there. Landing on the moon.
Imagine if this rocket actually goes to the moon.
That'll be really cool.
Phew!
Very safe. The only danger in doing this, if it's active, which it's not, right? That's the only danger.
Skedaddle, skedoodle, and noodle.
I didn't know what to try this.
Skedaddle, skedoodle, you're as short as a poodle.
Shut up. What?
A poodle is a dog.
Yeah, those poodles with horses.
You guys have dogs, right, Steve?
I might get one. I'm getting a hug.
That's good.
Hey, you should bring it in.
Open it wasn't right. And I will.
Well, it's never gonna have babies because I'm gonna make it.
She had a hair dog, she had a gray hair dog, and she mingled it with a
Whoa! There it goes.
Whoa!
Oh, it's burning. Where'd it go? Where is it?
Don't go on the road, guys.
Yours just disappeared.
Exploded.
Be careful.
Gotta go chase that rocket down now. I don't think they found it. Yeah, they didn't find it, I don't think.
We'll get it. If not, I'll get her another one. What's the risk of doing this?
Oh, come on, I want mine. Okay. May I have mine next?
And then we'll do yours first and last.
What do I do?
Boy, you're on quite a roll getting full marks on all your stuff for the last
So
how
I
long?
just...
Right about there. Your mark's going to move up in the 90 range here.
Who?
You keep doing all the projects you're doing. Like you're getting full marks on all these. Like I didn't count, your bridge wasn't on your last report card.
So what do I do now?
So that's going to boost it up even higher.
So do I just like sit it down slightly?
Yep. That's it, Eric.
Is the key out?
Key is in, thank you. You can't go unless I push the button.
And... Okay.
Stand there.
I have the key.
Whoa!
There it is. Hey! The chute worked. Oh crap! Oh crap! We're gonna have to chase that rocket down. Oh no! Oh crap! Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Hold on.
out fast.
This doesn't have a chute?
Nope, no shoot. No
Oh,
shoot
wow.
on it. And that's what caused yours to go. You have to have a circle. You have to have a circle. Things are really crazy. Slowly move.
Alright. Oh.
He's out. Put it over there. I'm just gonna snap it on. Good hands, buddy.
Alright.
All right, last one.
Eric, have you seen me tap?
Somebody get this on video. We'll do a slow motion transfer on it, okay? Can you put it in slow?
Oh, I can't.
I can.
Okay, because my phone does not have slow-mo.
I haven't get it yet.
Oh, that works. That thing does not have a chute.
Looks like it does. Purposely. You freaking.
Where is it? The wind's carrying it. Holy smokes.
No parachute. That.
That's what happens if you don't have a chute on that thing. Jesus. This is the aftermath. Chute worked. Rocket worked. Still looking for the other two that went missing though.
Little scratch. This.
Yeah, parachute has a little scratch on it. Nothing too big.